So if you've not seen Lewis Rossman's video about Ring, Ring are using a third-party company to use AI models to better their service. They are doing this by taking people's footage from their accounts without their consent. And this is another reason why last year I changed from Ring doorbells to TP-Link Tapo, because with their cameras they offer not only cloud storage but also local microSD card storage. But with cloud storage they can change their terms of service at any time. So if you think that your footage, your personal footage of your home is safe and sound on their servers, think again. And this pisses me off because companies aren't satisfied when you buy things from them. They have to go one further by sticking the middle finger up at you, even though you're paying them each month. And I won't have it. I won't have companies taking an absolute piss out of their customers, because at the end of the day, they're paying their wages. And it's not right.